Today, we are showing you a Scot centrifugal pump that is heavily contaminated and in for repair. The customer has reported that the motor was working incorrectly and leaking severely. We will go ahead, break down the motor, repair what is needed, then get it ready for testing. Here we are performing dielectric testing on the windings, both surge comparison tests, mega and high pot tests. Now we have the pump broken down into its individual components. First, we'll go over the main point of failure, which is this piece here, called a mechanical seal. As you can see, the central piece of the mechanical seal has been broken in half, which caused the main failure, which was leakage of the pump. Other portions of the pump that we will address include the bearings on the motor, which we will replace, as it is standard on every repair. We will also make sure that the bearing journals has not suffered any damage, which are located on each side of the bells. And we will look at other components such as fans, terminal boxes, impellers, amongst other repair issues. Additionally, we will decontaminate this unit, then paint and service everything as a whole. And lastly, we will make sure that there is no contamination left inside the windings, and we will wash and bake out the stator portion of the motor to ensure all contaminants have been removed. Now we have the seal and the bearings installed, and the motor and pump have been completely refurbished and painted. This unit is now ready to be shipped back to the customer. This completes our video demonstration. Thank you for watching.